Installing Visual Studio Code. I am Gaurav and it's a continuation of free software series. Visual Studio Code can be installed directly from its website, which I have already opened here in the browser. The application is available for Windows, Mac and Linux. In this case, I am using the Windows version, but you should go ahead and download the version that is appropriate for your computer. Once the file is downloaded, just double click on the exe file and proceed with the installation. Accept the agreement. So to start the application, you can either double click on the app icon or you can navigate to the folder in the terminal and type the command code followed by a period to indicate that you want to use the current folder as a project. I will go with both the option. I'll show you how to do that. And first of all, I'll go with by clicking on the app icon and navigate to the folder. Just double click on that. Click on the file drop down menu, open folder, navigate to the folder on which you have to map your project, demo app, select folder, and that's it. Your all project files will show here on which you can start working. The second method is by using the command prompt. It's a Windows embed tool which we can use. Open your CMD, navigate to the folder on which you have your project file. In my case, it's in my desktop, so I'll change my directory. Now in my demo app project directory, code space period, boom. Now my same file has been opened and now we can start working on that. The easiest way which I use generally in my day-by-day development and all, what I do, I simply go within my project, folder, select this path, simply type cmd. So we do not need to navigate by using the cd command key, and by using this we will directly inside that particular current directory and we can simply type code and that's it. We will be inside our project directory. So it's the easiest way which I find useful for myself. So if you find this useful for yourself, you can use the same method and start developing. So now that we have VS Code properly installed and ready, we can go with the rest of the course. So that's it for today's video. Let's see in the next one.